Morning. Good morning. So, we're in Zion National Park. We found the tallest trail that we could find. And it's called the Angel Landings Trail. It goes up 1,500 feet. That's quite a lot. And yeah, on the tour bus it said that we might die. Yeah, that's proper windy. Yeah, and that's stupidly steep. Oh, balls, more uphill. Even more uphill. Oh, what the hell? Why would you do this to me? I wanna be the very best like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. People are climbing. That's what we have to do. Jesus Christ. It's a really big cliff. And I'm still not at the top. And I'm quicker than everyone. Oh, God damn it, I still got more to go. Well, what I thought was the top wasn't the top, and the top just keeps going. Oh, God damn. I like the rock climbing aspect. I can see why they categorise this as strenuous. This is crazy. Who designed this? Why? Oh God. Say hi, Jim. Oh God. This last climby bit is only half a mile, but it just goes on forever. I don't mind. This is probably the best hike slash climb I've ever done, so I'm quite happy with this. Messages. I got cell service up here. What the hell? Alright, let's abuse Snapchat. Sorry, everyone. There's a lovely little chipmunk on top of this hill. He got there before me. Hey, Jim, we did it. We did. We did. Now we can finally enjoy our subway. My subway. His subway. That sneaky little devil trying to eat my subway. Yeah, time to go all the way back down. We're about halfway down. And yeah, there's a mountain there. And down somewhere over where that group of people is there, that's where I thought it finished. And if I'm about halfway down, and that is still the mountain upwards. This was my favourite bit coming over, because if you do this, death, and if you do this, death, more death, death everywhere, either way you're dead. What the hell? I thought it was all downhill from here. Who decided this? Who made this a possible thing? Making our way back down, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Come on, hurry up, hurry up.
Go on then.
Got a picture or not?
Yeah, I think I got one. Do you want me to stick one out anyway? Look at the little squirrel. Oh, hello. Oh, aren't you being adorable? You. Watch out, there's a squirrel! Here's the stream level. And all the way up there is where I was. You can see a person stood there a minute ago, but he's moved. Nice bit of traffic as we're leaving Zion. If you're wondering why that tree's moving in the background, it's because there's a digger there. Want to see what a big D looks like? It's massive. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Or something.
Yeah, those are for pipes. They're pipe. Yeah, they're peace pipe. And then I have a smaller one here, and then these are.
Oh, a peace pipe.
These are the peace pipes that I have.
Grand Canyon. Yeah, it's boring. Ching ching. So sun sets on another day. Tomorrow, adventure. Dude over there's got an RV. Parked up on a path and decided to camp there. Police arrived.